if, elif, else statements. If, elif, else statements. Sometimes you need to write more than one if-else statements to check your conditions. So we can use if, elif, and else statements to do that. Let's see how. First, we go to brackets. So now we will create a full program to check if you are eligible for bank loans or not using if, elif, else statements. Okay, now we want to create a variable such as salary and I will assign it with int. Int means integer and it takes only whole numbers. So type input parenthesis string of how much is your salary \n means new line in terminal. Then we use if salary greater than 1000 colon and create a variable called amount and assign it with 200 and print a string you are eligible to get a bank loan by paying comma amount then comma string monthly. Cool. Now we want to use elif. So type elif salary equal 1000 colon. Make the amount variable equals to 500 here and print a string you are eligible to get a bank loan with a higher monthly price comma variable amount comma string monthly. Else colon print string sorry you are not eligible. After that, try that on terminal. As you see here, we get an error. Do you know why? Because else doesn't need to be indent. Try that again. Oh, we got another error, which is double T in input. It should be one T only, not double T. After that, try that on terminal again. Alright, so there's another error, which is in the variable salary. So make the spelling right. Very cool, now it works great. So now enjoy your program.